drips with falling rain. Another day of work's long strain. The office lights, they fade to gray as the city takes the sun away. I'm leaning my head against the glass, watching the blurry stations pass. My degree is framed upon the wall, but tonight I'm feeling small. I'm building a life, I'm chasing the heights, but I'm losing sleep in these neon lights. 15 hours on a plane pulls me homeward through the pain. I've got so many dreams in store, but tonight my heart is sore. Yeah, the world is wide and the climb is steep, but I'm just looking for a place to sleep. My phone screen glows with a video call. The connection drops, I feel the fall. I miss the kitchen, the smell of tea, the way they're laughing without me. I'm 1,000 miles from the Sunday roast, a ghost in the crowd on the morning coast. 50 hours on a plane pulls me homeward through the pain. I've got so many dreams in store, but tonight my heart is sore. Yeah, the world is wide and the climb is steep, but I'm just looking for a place to sleep. I'm tired of the hustle, the coffee, the cold, of trying to